What is up, YouTube? We break in with this to your programming. I'm just kidding. But we're breaking in here with the special weather bulletin. We have a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. It's not tornado warning. Look at this. This is just estimated. Damaging wind potential is very high. Very high. Tornado warning possible. We're going to go to the velocity, storm relative rotation. Where we were watching up here before, that is still potential. This down here is a potential. This is moving north. Okay, no, we don't need to see that. Damaging wind potential, that is just a estimation. That is not meaning it's real or any shape or form, but that is an estimation. It doesn't say. We're going to go ahead and reload the page again. Our chance of first severe weather, I'll probably just update you guys right now about our severe weather chances here in Wisconsin for tomorrow. Okay, here we go. This is live EAS, Again, sorry I'm upside down, this is a live EAS.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Edmunds County and north central
right here, guys.
South Dakota, McPherson County and north central South Dakota until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of EUREKA to HOSMER to 6 miles east of BOWDLE, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Passes 60 miles per hour when gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Newtown Corner around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. ROSCOE around 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Long Lake around 10:50